In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a custom Linktree link. By the end, you'll have a clean, memorable Linktree URL that reflects your brand or name, and you'll know exactly where to make the change inside your account. Start by opening Linktree and heading to your links dashboard. If you're already logged in, you can go straight to your admin links page. This is the same place where you normally add or manage the buttons on your Linktree. From here, look to the very top left and select the profile icon. In that menu, choose Account. This is where all your profile and account settings live. Once you're in Account, scroll down until you see the section labeled Account Management. This area controls things like your profile identity and, importantly, your Linktree username. Your username is what appears at the end of your public URL, so changing it will change your Linktree link. Find your current profile username. Right next to it, you'll see a set of 3 dots. Click those, then choose Change Username. This opens the field where you can enter the exact handle you want to use. Type in your new username. Aim for something short, easy to remember, and consistent with your other social handles if possible. Stick to letters, numbers, and underscores, and avoid special characters or spaces. If the name you want is unavailable, try simple variations, like adding an underscore or a short keyword that still feels on brand. When your new username looks good, select Review Username Change. This gives you a chance to double-check the spelling and confirm the new URL you're about to switch to. It's worth pausing here for a second to think about any places your current Linktree link might be posted, like social bios, email signatures, or video descriptions. Changing your username means your old link will no longer point to your page, so plan to update those spots after this change goes through. If everything looks correct, click Confirm Change. Linktree will apply the update, and your public URL will now use your new username. From now on, anyone visiting your Linktree will use that updated link. If your first choice wasn't available or you made a typo, you can repeat the process and adjust until it's perfect. That's it. You've successfully created a custom Linktree link by updating your username. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sharing your new, cleaner URL across your platforms.